Jake, Mummy's going to the shop. Do you want to go to the shop? Where's my bag? Do you want to go to the shop? Do you? Yes? Do you like going to the shop? Jake, do you want to go to the shop? What? What did you say? Do you want to go to the shop? Where are you? Really? Do you want to go to the shop? But where's Mommy's bag? Where's my bag? Jake, it's not there. Oh. No. Do you want to go to the shop? Leave the shoe. Really? Do you want to go to the shop? Really? Is that where the door is? Okay, let's go to the shop. You're a good boy. Sit down. That's it. Give me your paw. Let's go to the shop. There we go. Do you want to go to the shop? Yes. You want to go to the shop? Bye-bye.